The stock reallocation by product program OE5350 allows the user to move allocated inventory from one order to another. In other words, to deallocate stock and then reallocate it onto another order. Or you could simply use the program to deallocate stock where stock is available needed other places in the system. For example, you may need it to build a kit, or it could be a component that's used in the manufacturing process. So the screen can be used in the sense of moving it from one order to another, or just to deallocate stock from an order and put it back into stock for availability other places in the system. In our example today, we'll take a look at Warehouse DC, product 57-5123-4. Execute query on this, and we find we have order 2128 existing with a back order quantity of 4. The order quantity was 10 and 6 have already been allocated. Our stock available is 196. At this point in time, we could go into the release quantity field and allocate 4 more units in order to bring the back order quantity to 0 and the quantity allocated to 10. But maybe in this circumstance we don't want to do that because the 196 units are needed somewhere else in the system. So what we're going to do is arrow through, and we find another order here, order 2101, that has 11 on order, 11 allocated. And what we're going to do in this case is we're going to take the 4 that we need for the other order that we just looked at, 2128, and we're going to deallocate the stock from this order so that we can place it on the other order. Now in this case here, what we're going to do is we're going to take 4 out. So we're going to put a -4 in here, and this will return it to the available. So if we enter -4 there, we now see our available goes up to 200. And if we commit, we can now see that this order has a quantity of 7 now allocated and 4 on back order. Now what we'll do is we'll arrow back up to our original order, 2128, and we'll release 4 units to this order and commit. So now we have a 0 quantity back ordered on this order. So this program is used in 2 ways, both to allocate stock and to deallocate stock. This ends the tutorial on the stock reallocation by product program.